that's why you can speak Bisaya.
No, ako mama dako Bisaya man.
And what about Tagalog? Do you speak also Tagalog?
Sabot ako kamay Tagalog, but the problem is sabot ako, then when the Tagalog is coming, then wala ako sabot if it's Tagalog or Bisaya. Sabot na. Complication.
Okay, what about German?
So what about German? Dili man ako.
Kabalo kag German?
Nalive man ako here in Germany.
Yeah, can you speak a little bit German? Can you?
Someone a question.
Yeah, can we hear it?
Speak a little bit Polish.
Can we hear it? Your viewers, can your viewers hear it? You speak German. How do you say? How are you in German?
Wie geht's dir?
Wie geht's dir?
Unsa man ikaw? Balong man ikaw.
Okay, and what about in Bisaya? What is wie geht's dir in Bisaya?
Kumusta na ka?
In Tagalog?
Tagalog?
Yeah.
Kumusta?
Kumusta? No? It's
Oh,
also like the same.
Yeah.
It's
Naapot
relative.
ka?
Huh?
Naapot sa kumusta na ka?
Yeah, kumusta ka
Bisaya.
na?
Yeah, ingon ako sa Tagalog, kumusta na
Ka na.
ka na?
Yeah, kumusta ka na?
Complication.
Mabuti.
Naman pod, napad, daghan man sa ako ang ulo na pod words, kana, water. And sa, how are you is, kumusta, naka. Daghan, uy.
But what happened when you meet your friends in Cebu or in the Philippines? How did people greet you?
Unsa man greet you?
Ja, wenn du siehst Freundinnen oder Menschen in Philippinen oder Bisayan.
Makuyawan sila.
Makuyawan?
Hmm.
On what did you say?
Ingon sila,
Huy.
mo talk man ako Bisaya.
Okay.
And then, mo talk ako natural like I am. And then, anak sila, ay ka funny, baluman siya. Ang funny things like, ang noun like, sakto kaayo na, tawa na sila na, wala man ako balo na, ingon sila, oh, Bisaya lagi ikaw kaayo, na balo man ikaw, and wala ko balo. Nga naman sila na anak mo tawa sa ako, and sige lang ingon sila, you can speak Bisaya, and then every time they speak Bisaya lang.
Yeah, what is
Also
your favorite food? The street food. What is your favorite street food?
Favorite, unsa?
Favorite street food or whatever.
Street food. Favorite food. Wait, mo thinking ako ang ngalan?
Di mo gusto.
Latsa ba? Unsa? Tanong? Tanong?
Talong? Yeah,
Talong.
okay.
See? Balo pa ako.
Ah, talong. What about bananas?
Yeah, talong mo na.
Patakal.
Unsa man ang
Talong kay Kwan man na, aubergine man na sa German.
kita ka, nalimot ako.
Eggplant in English and German is aubergine. Banana is saging.
Wala, uy. Naaman saging, but naaman sa grill. Mo init. Unsa man ang ngalan? Sige lang man.
Ginanggang. That's ginanggang.
Ginanggang na put different name.
Yeah, maruya or
No, wala.
banana Q. You mean?
Yeah,
You
kana, but na put other word.
Banana Q?
Wala ikaw balo.
Banana Fritz?
Unsa?
Banana Fritz.
Naaman put with sugar. It's tanaw like lumpia ba? Man.
Okay.
Banana.
Oh, what is it? I forgot it. Moment. That is like
Unsa man ikaw?
turun.
Oh, turon! Ikaw po! Wala. Kita ka? Na.
That's your favorite turun, right?
Yeah, right. Na,
And-
ingon
And
lagi
how
ako
many
banana.
pieces you can eat?
3?
3? Only 3?
Na, in one thing is duha ang banana. 3? Unsa man? 6 banana on.
6 bananas in one time, my goodness. Yeah.
Yeah, mo. Healthy man.
Healthy day na. Mo din naman ang buk day ka.
Wala, uy.
Wala kang tambok.
Vitamin.
What
But
about
sa-
mango with
sa-
sauce, with pink sauce?
Yeah, okay po. But ang rice, mutambok ako lagi.
Sige no? Sige kakaog rice sa
Oo.
Philippines di ay. What about bulad? Tuyo.
What?
What about tuyo or bulad?
Oh, lami kaay.
Lami kay?
Ako ang friends sa Germany, di, anak sila, unsa man na, dry
Baho
fish.
mo kay na.
Oh, ako humot pa, humot, lami. Sana tuyo, anak lang ako eat. Sige lang iko kamera na amang gawas ako Bisaya noon.
Ako nasapna na pug ka kuy dili na ni siya na cinnamon kuy lain na pud niya siya kuy. Saan may gikaon? Can you show it to me? I think that's my cake, the one that I brought. Oh yeah, that's the raw kuchen. That's my favorite.
Unsa ang ngalan?
You just finished.
Ingon.
You just
ikaw, again ang ngalan. Unsa?
raw kuchen, oder?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The first time.
You just finished. You just done eating sushi.
Yeah,
for a
it's
few
my
minutes.
Dessert.
It's your dessert. Yeah, you're just like eating a lot of sweets. It's not good for you. Nambok ka ana.
Sakto na unsa man ikaw?
Yeah, manambok ka tanawa. Open na nimo.
Eh, unsa man na?
Pagka ani saging, ang saging.
Dili, uy.
Peanut butter.
Ikaw man lang sambo. Ako dili.
Yeah, ako. Wala.
Eat man ako one.
Ayaw na pagkaon ng daghan ana ha, kana na lang ha. Kuy, ka manambok ka kuy. Imong viewers di na ganahan mo tan-aw nimo kay tambok na kay ka. Ingon sila la. Nanambok man
Ambot
siya
lang ba?
kinaon. Nanambok na siya.
Ambot lang.
Ingon ang viewers ni mo. Unsa man ni taga-view na mo magsige man siya kaon.
Yeah, lami on.
Sige na, say goodbye na, good night. Good night.
To all.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Unsa man na kalain, hoy.